I found that the Sahasrara had expanded to a great degree, and actually it became like a dish antenna over my head, which was reminded me of the dish antenna you see on the buildings, and or rather like what you call, and moving around getting information. And then I saw that once the Sahasrara was active, further chakras above the Sahasrara, they became active. So I was very open to learning or whatever the source wanted to convey through this body mind organism for the general good of the people and their learning and their understanding as to what was happening. And with the expansion of the Sahasrara chakra, that was not enough. The Kundalini had to then get active to collect any information, and with that then the Kundalini had a free flow of energy. Now, because we were following the course of the descending energy, it was a very gentle awakening of the Kundalini, and I found after studying my illustrations that it came up as a healing energy, that it was green in color, and this learning is, going on constantly. These are the insights that one gets, that it started as a healing and creative energy, because whatever fructifies, or when the plant kingdom is surfacing, it is green. The roots are brown and the plants are green. In the same way, it was working for me. With that creativity fructified, and all this knowledge and this illustrations and visualization came because of that. It was literally like a plant which is growing, but it had a cauldron of fire in the mouth. It was like a snake which was lifting up the Manipur chakra fire and spreading it out, because that is a creative force also, the descending energy and the ascending energy working in unison. And that's how the whole journey started. You see, the human body is combination of two elements. One is the solar energy, or the solar force, or the life force, and the other is mental force, that is Chitta Shakti, mind, or whatever. So in the subtle realm, we call them Shiva and Shakti. Okay, and in the physical body, they reflect as Ida and Pingla, two channels. One is flowing the Manas Shakti, that is the mental, and the other is the life force. And they are both running separate and throughout the body. It's not that the mind is only here. So they are both running separate, but in order for a human being to lead a good balanced life, these two channels have to unite. And once they unite, then one goes through life without focusing on petty issues, and sees the larger picture of the whole thing. So in that, when that happens, then one is not functioning from either the left brain or the right brain. One is functioning from the heart center. And how that happens, it's very interesting. The Ajna chakra, it extends, goes through all the chakras. Now Ajna is the discriminating center. It collects information from the mind, from the heart, from the Vishuddhi, from the Manipur, Swadhisthana, Muladhara, and comes back and drops whatever it is into the heart center. So then the person deals with it from the heart, and it assimilates over there and then puts forth into action. So this is very interesting, and if you see it visually, you'll realize how the heart flowers, and all this stuff is taken and put into that, and then we come from that.